In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a promo code on TradingView's website to enjoy a discount on your purchase. This is a straightforward process, but I'll guide you through each step to make sure you take full advantage of any available savings. First things first, you'll need to head over to TradingView's website. Once you're there, have a look at the different plans that TradingView offers. Each plan is designed with specific users in mind, whether you're a beginner or someone who requires advanced features. Take your time to evaluate what each plan offers, comparing their features and benefits so you can select the one that suits your needs best. After making your choice, proceed to the checkout page. This is where you'll finalize your order and get ready to apply that promo code for some savings. Now that you're on the checkout page, you'll see a payment section where you can enter your billing details. But before you do, pay attention to the prompt asking if you have a promo code. You should see a clickable link or button labeled something like "Have a promo code." This is your key to unlocking a discount. Go ahead and click on that link or button. A new field will appear, prompting you to enter your promo code. Make sure you have it at hand. When you're entering your code, do so carefully to avoid any errors. Double check for typos or extra spaces when you're typing it in. Once you've entered the code correctly, you can go ahead and apply it. Watch as the site recalculates the total amount, showing you the discounted price. The section showing the final price before you complete your purchase should now reflect this savings, allowing you to confirm everything is correct. Before finishing your transaction, take a moment to review the total and ensure the promo code has been properly applied. If, for some reason, you don't see the discount appear, check the promo code for accuracy, verify its validity, expiry date, and if it applies to the plan you've chosen. If everything checks out and the savings are applied, you can feel confident in proceeding with the purchase. Complete your payment details, finalize your order, and you're all set. By following along with these instructions, you'll have successfully applied a promo code to your TradingView subscription. Your new plan will be up and running, and you'll have secured a great value for the features you selected. Whether you're upgrading your tools for professional use or just exploring new analytical capabilities, saving a little money is always a bonus. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your journey with TradingView.